Hey, what's going on, heroes? I'm your host, Nathan Olson, and in today's video, we're going to be going over Instagram Reels. What are they? How do they work? And are they going to help you grow? Coming up. In early August of 2020, Instagram released its newest content form update, where they're going to be pushing new short-form video content into a new feature called Instagram Reels. Now, Instagram Reels is a place where 15-second videos are going to be able to be posted by some of your favorite creators, yourself, and big influencers. Now, what exactly is Instagram Reels? Instagram Reels is Instagram's feature to compete against TikTok, the short-form video content that has almost 2 billion monthly active users and is steadily growing at an enormous rate. Now, the reason that Instagram is positioning itself in order to overtake this short-form video content realm is because President Trump has made an announcement saying that he's going to disband it in the United States in about 45 days unless it's sold to an American company. So what does that mean for everybody in America? There's going to be a huge want and need for a short form video content realm that needs to be hosted on a platform that's allowed within the US. And Instagram already being the social dominant and superior platform that it is, and Instagram is trying to position themselves in a way that it's easier for creators to switch from one platform back to Instagram. Now, Instagram has failed in the past with other video platforms, like with the release of IGTV that miserably failed in competing against YouTube. But since then, Instagram has learned from their mistakes and they're taking full advantage of their knowledge of the video realm. And they're now pushing more content through IGTV, adding more benefits to creators, and with Instagram Reels Edition, I think we're going to see a lot of new advertisement styles jumping onto the platform. Now, when it comes to using Instagram Reels, if you have any form of knowledge of TikTok, it's going to be exactly like that. You're going to be able to trim, edit, and compile different videos into a 15-second clip where you'll be able to add augmented reality effects to change your environment, sound effects in order to add some background music or to record your own sound, and even hashtags, text, and other ways to manipulate and create a unique piece of video content for Instagram. Now, with all these creative features, I hope that Instagram is mimicking TikTok in the sense of their video editing styles. It was perfect because TikTok allowed you to utilize a lot of fundamental filming techniques and effects that most people just don't have access to or know how to use easily. TikTok, being extremely user-friendly, made it possible for simple creators to utilize green screens, augmented reality effects, and so much more to bring new life and new editing styles to their content creators toolkit. Now, if Instagram can step up to the plate with their video effects, which it seems with the first release of Instagram Reels, they really have done a great job in allowing video creative features, but there's always more, and TikTok did a really good job of constantly putting out new edits, new features, and new updates that helped the content creators, us, put out better and more creative content on their platform. So if Instagram can really create the perfect video creators toolkit, I think we'll see a massive transition from TikTok over to Instagram Reels because of this whole banning that is happening in the US, as well as Instagram's trying to dominate areas where TikTok is not, such as Brazil and other countries. One of the biggest reasons you need to start using Instagram Reels is because of its overall organic reach and its engagement and awareness on the Instagram platform. Instagram's promoting their newest feature. Just like always, they're pushing it to the Explore page, and they've even created a special place on the Explore page just for Reels. It's actually at the very top of the Instagram Explore page, and once you click on it, you become fully immersed in the vertical style feed format that's native to TikTok. You'll find yourself scrolling and finding new creators that you've never seen before, or even new influencers that you might not yet follow. Instagram is pushing for people to start viewing more Instagram Reels, and that means more free promotion for your account. So if you're not already utilizing Instagram Reels, or if you're already creating TikTok videos, try to position yourself in a way to create Instagram Reel content on a daily basis. It's 15 seconds, it's short, it's creative. It can be a perfect way for you to start testing new content ideas as well as new editing techniques. So start using it in your arsenal of content creation and utilize it to grow your account on a daily basis. If you're putting out new content that Instagram is looking to promote, you're gonna find yourself drastically increasing your overall reach and growth. All right, guys, that's it for this video. I'm gonna be coming out with a couple Instagram Reel tip videos in the future as the feature starts to progress and gain more momentum. But until then, make sure to keep an eye out on our blog and our other YouTube videos for helpful resources and advice. And if you ever need any help growing your social media or your business, make sure to head over to yourcharisma.com where we can create a personalized solution just for you. All right, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you thoroughly enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.